in these end times, I don't want you to make a mistake of dying without knowing your purpose here on earth. You need to know that in these last days, it is important for you to know what God created you for. There is a purpose and a plan that God created you for. You are not just a spectator in this world, but you are created for a purpose and for a reason. The overall purpose that I want to open your eyes to is for you to be an extension of the love of God in these end times. So you have to be an extension of the love of God in these end times. That is your primary duty. The second primary duty that you have to fulfill is to worship God. You are created to worship God, to glorify Him, and to give Him all the praise. That is our duty as children of God, to worship God to the fullest. The third purpose here on earth, the main one that I want you to pay attention to, is for you to fulfill in the prophecy of Jeremiah, where God said that He knew Jeremiah before he was born. So God knew you before you were born, and he ordained you and made you a prophet, or made you to be a leader, or He made you to be a designer, to be an engineer, to be a doctor. There is something God created you for, according to the book of Jeremiah, which you need to fulfill in these end times. So the end times, you have to make sure that you are in line with your destiny, in line with your vision and the purpose which God Himself ordained you and planned for you. The worst thing that can happen to you is two things. Number one, dying without accepting Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Number two, it is about you dying without knowing your purpose here on earth. You have a purpose. So today, I want you to glorify God. I want you to accept Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I want you to be an extension of God's love. And above all, I want you to fulfill your God-given purpose. Not all of us must be ministers of the gospel. There is something special for you. Go out there and fulfill what God ordained you to be. There is something special with you. Have a great day.